Hey everybody, Dr. Nichols here, and it's been a while since I posted anything, and with just the past 9/11 and the anniversary of that, I was doing some just kind of research investigating, and I came across this really cool article that was published August 14th, 2019, and essentially it was how there is a naturopathic clinic in Washington that signed a new contract that they believe is the first ever to actually work with veterans to provide benefits. And so, this is a situation that is very, close to my heart. I definitely feel the veterans, don't have access to the type of care that they need, and a lot of veterans do look for other resources outside of the VA, whether it's acupuncture, nutrition, supplements, chiropractic, and a lot of times it's just not an added benefit, or it's not covered by the VA. So for the fact that this naturopathic clinic in Washington signed a bill to be able to provide services to veterans was just awesome. So, now they're looking at the payers recognizing naturopathic doctors to be eligible to provide that, which is amazing because these vets need help. So, I would like to give back, and we tried to do this before by offering a humanitarian health sponsorship to a vet or a couple vets, depending on the type of influx of essays that we have, but to provide access of care that we provide to the vets, I think would be amazing. So the Veteran Humanitarian Health Sponsorship Program is something that I wanted to roll out for a long time, and I think it just makes sense now with just the past, and with this coming to a head in Washington, that if I can give back to the community somehow, from a vet standpoint, I would love to do that. So ultimately, with the Veterans Humanitarian Health Sponsorship Program, it's about being able to provide the type of care to vets, whether it's working on the root cause of illness, recognizing other interventions that can complement what they're already having done at the VA. And ultimately, I want to work with veterans that are looking for health and wellness and looking for other options, and I want to be able to provide that to them from a sponsorship standpoint. So ultimately, the ideal candidate for the sponsorship program will be a vet with certain disabilities connected to their service, and it should be individuals that are committed to their health, who truly want to get better. I ask that any interested people to submit a sponsorship application essay that must be in by October 31st, and describing why they should be chosen. I want to hear your story. I want to know, some of the struggles that you have. And, we'll have the applications in by October 31st, and then we will essentially take, I guess it'll depend. I mean, we'll take one sponsor for sure, maybe more. And ultimately, my gift is going to be awarded a financial credit of $1,000 to be used for any healthcare services here at Integrated Family Wellness Center. Essentially, the vet will come in to see me as their healthcare coordinator, and then we'll develop a plan that is going to get them to, address their healthcare concerns and their healthcare needs, whether it is acupuncture, chiropractic, doing other testing that's not covered by insurance. And then, that'll be used up within their $1,000 of financial credit. So please, if you know somebody that could really use this medicine that is a vet, and or friends, family, whatever, please have them submit something to our office, which is the essay. And so please send your essay by email to staff@ifwcenter.com. And if you have any questions, you can go on our Facebook page. You can reach us that way. But we are accepting essays today up to October 31st. And I would love to see this become a program that we could emulate and just keep moving forward to provide the care that these vets need. All right, take care.